Ngora High School Nesi Ediope Kotomo Seminary Lukoteso Luda Asekun Kanu Aiwe Aina Beta Nui Kamanara Keda Commonwealth Games Simon Peter Okwi Arucho Kintonu Aboliasio Ngora High School Yesi Ike Unitebe Ekapakina Aijukar Aboliak Aja Ikina Aboliasio Nuka Commonwealth Games Kobangineham Okarukalo.
This year we are going to have the games in Birmingham, UK, and they have asked us, Ngora High School, if you do well in whatever you are doing, we shall be given a partner school. So I'm not campaigning for you to come to Ngora High School, but wherever you are, you'll also be able to get that chance to fly to Birmingham anytime.
Aboliasio ngun, Nui Moriarito, athletics, badminton, basketball, volleyball, bowls, boxing, cycling, gymnastics, hockey, netball, rugby, tennis, weightlifting, keda wrestling, kesida eponio, aitegar kolapkalo, erase akaisare alukanyauni, ilfazi opolot, ewalo, Apolone Severo, Ngora High School, Yese Balebe, Ebuni Ayata Kit Kerai Napeta, no Aitopol Aboliasio, Kanu I take it Aboliasio Nuka Commonwealth.
In Commonwealth Sports Spirit Club. With the Commonwealth Games, it encourages the three values, and that is humanity, equality, and destiny. We have been talking about it, and that is what we are encouraging. This time round, as Ngora High School, we want to take more girls teams for nationals.
Airiamunaka Commonwealth, Okarukalo, Nesi Eponio, Aitolot, Kotoma Alaro, na Aboliasio, Ko Alexander, Stadium, Neda Beitor, Aboliasio Nedolete, Aquatarakasa Kanyauni, Aitolosio, Kotoma Ainapeta Akaisare. Gabriel Esikukanuka TV is. I'll marry.